I'm going to give you two very interesting tips for the MT300 lovers. In the new version of MT300, we are adding new microphones and we are adding two very interesting tips, two interesting functions. That one is the custom layout, that is going to be very interesting for your project. And the other is an alternative control way, that is by connecting a USB keyboard to the MT300 to switch the different layouts, the different matrix. Do you want to see how we do? It's very simple. How the custom layout is working. It is very interesting when we are doing an audio tracking and we want to keep certain camera or certain group fixed in the screen, in the display. So for this case, we have a Shure microphone that is helping to do the audio tracking, and we have three cameras. Two cameras connected via IP, that is the left and the right of the room, that is going to perform an audio tracking. So if we test in this way, I'm talking 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, the camera is going to come with me. Okay? If Jorge is talking in the other channels,
hi, hello, it's me, hello, hello.
If I talk again, will come with me. But imagine that we want to do a different thing. We go to the profile, to the settings. In this case, we are going to have a third group, and this group is basically is going to be connected to the front camera. That is, we are going to keep the view of the whole table all the time. So instead of using the single view that is going to switch, we are going to choose customize. And in customize, we have multiple layouts that we can choose, and we can select different groups. In this group, in this case, we are going to select this group. For example, in the top, we are going to put the audio tracking. So the audio tracking, we are going to select the two groups that are doing the audio tracking. So in the first position is going to do the audio tracking. If I go to the settings again, in the second group, I'm going to assign the group that basically is not doing audio tracking, just one camera, that is the front camera. So I select this, and if I go to the live, now we have on top the audio tracking, that in this case, if I move or I talk from another position, is going to move. If I talk from this position, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it comes with me. Or if Jorge talks,
yeah, hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
it changes. But we are keeping the front view of with the third camera. We have the front view all the time, but again we can change the different composition of the screen and we can play things. So really interesting if we want to have a composition of multiple cameras and multiple views. One is automatic, the other is fixed, or we can do what we want. It is very interesting. Interesting function is about connecting a USB keyboard directly to the MT300, and you can use this to switch the different profiles, the different layouts. Of course, you can use a typical computer keyboard, but ideally you have custom keyboards that with less keys that you can use for this purpose. But for this case, we are connecting just a standard keyboard. So you only need to go to Systems. In System, the system settings, you have here shortcut. You go to Customize, and then you can choose different combination. For example, for the profile 1, I'm going to use number 1, for the 2, 3, profile number 4, for example 4, profile number 5, 5, or profile number 6, 6. So in this case, as I mentioned, I'm connecting a USB keyboard directly to the MT300. Of course, instead of using a computer keyboard, you can use a small keyboard with the numbers or any combination. And when I click the different layout, for example, layout number 2, layout number 3, 4, 5, or imagine that number 6, that was the audio tracking. So in this case, we are not defined. So with this single click, I can change very easy the different layout, manual or automatic, that we already have selected in the system. You can see. It is an interesting trick to simplify the control of the MT300. They are the two tips that I want to share with you today.